In this video, everything you need to know how to replace the key fob battery on Volvo. Let's get started. Here is our key fob, and for replacement we're going to use the same battery, which is a CR2032. And let's open this key fob, and for that we need T9 Torx, and yeah, just one Torx. Here we go, T9. Let's remove the one screw and open our key fob. Guys, if you're first time to the channel, please subscribe, very appreciated that. Okay, screw is removed. Just pry the upper part of the key fob, and as you can see, it's pretty easy. Okay, let's remove the battery, and remember the polarity. That battery should face down with the positive, and we're going to install the new one the same way. Remember how it was assembled originally, and put a positive down to that holder. Okay, battery is in, all coming in place. Let's put a cover back, and latches first. As you can see, there's two, and push it up, bottom cover down, and put that T9 Torx. Guys, if it's helpful, please put a thumbs up. If you have any questions, ask them down in the comment section below. Thank you so much for your time watching this video. Take care. Bye bye.